friends, it's Mr. Downs live, not from the gym, but from his home. And you know what I want to do today? I want to play with you. Actually, I want you to play with me. I did this with the 4th grade, and they had so much fun doing it. So I said, why not send it to my kindergarten friends, and you can challenge me at home, because even though we're not there, maybe kindergarten, 1st grade, 2nd grade, you can do it with family members. You can do it with anybody in your home. Keep your body healthy, active, and I wanted to do it with you as well. Okay? This is called rock, paper, scissors exercise. Now, if you remember, we did this in the gym. We do this for making decisions. We do this for if there was a game or a fitness, a warm-up. We did this lots of times. And it's a great way for you to make a decision without being frustrated with a classmate, a family member. Okay? So, great decision maker. But now we're going to add fitness to it. Okay? But let's just practice it again, because you have to play fair. Life has rules. Play fair, just like my poster in the gym. All right, you got to play fair. So I can't see you, but you can see me, okay? And we're going to play together. So let's practice, okay? All right. All right, so I put our hands up. Now, you can do one of two things. Now, remember, you have your rock. That's that one over there, you see? Your paper, hand up or this way, either way. So it's nice. And your scissors. You got to make sure it's clear. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay? Awesome. All right. And you can see the TV screen behind me. We were playing this live with the 4th grade. So I said, why not do this with you guys? If I can't be live, I can do it like I'm pretending like we're coming into your home. Okay? But there's going to be no pretend, because I'm going to be doing the work with you, okay? Now, in rock, paper, scissors fitness, what's going to happen is when you do rock, paper, scissors, if you win against my robot friend, you're going to do an exercise. If you tie, you're going to do an exercise. And if you lose, you're going to do an exercise. So what I want you to do for me, maybe screen record, maybe send me a picture of you doing. If you win, beat the robot, you put your thumbs up. If you tie, you put your thumbs in the middle. And if you lose, thumbs down. But guess what? There is no loser, because you're getting exercise no matter what. And that's what makes you feel good. All right? It's 5 minutes of quick 10 rounds of exercise. And we'll have a little rest in between to get that heart rate up. And then we bring it down. That's called interval training. That's a big word. Interval training. Get the heart rate up and down. It's great health for our body. Are you ready? All right, let's go for it. Okay. I'm going to go down here.
Welcome to the Rock, Paper, Scissors Fitness Battle. I'm Coach Russell's assistant Hotshot. Directions. The video will be split into two 5-minute parts, which will be a battle against Hotshot, and the other part will be a battle against a partner of your choice. You will first battle against me, which will be on the screen. Based on the results of each RPS battle, you will look at the exercise connected to the win, lose, or tie arrows and perform that exercise 5 times. There are 10 rounds against me. Then you will go against a partner of your choice to battle. Let's see who wins. You can pause the video after each battle so you can do your exercises without falling behind each battle. Win, lose, or tie. Do 5 of the connected exercises. The battle begins in
9, 8, 7, 6.
Now I'm going to pause it right there at round 1. Okay? So let's see how you do against Mr. Downs. Rock, paper, scissors, boom. Ooh, scissors. If you had a rock, you just crushed my scissors. If you had a paper, I just beat you, because I get to cut your paper. And guess what? If we both had scissors, we tie. The power is within us. Now let's see how we do against Hotshot. Here we go.
1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, we tied. So if you tie, look what I have to do down here. I got to do push-ups. So I'm going down, push-up, up, down, up, down. I'm doing some push-ups. If you lost, you get to go side to side. And if you win, you get to
Round 2.
9.
You get it? That's how we do it. An exercise for each outcome.
4, 3,
It's a win-win-win situation. Good luck.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh, I won that time. My paper covered that rock, so I get to do jump rope. If you lost, you're doing squats. And if you tied, you're going down to the side. How you doing so far? How you doing so far? Good luck. I think my best overall score from
Round
any
three.
of our grades
9,
was 7
8,
wins. 7
7,
wins. 7
6,
wins total.
5,
Take on a
4,
family member. That would be
3,
awesome. What a great
2,
way to start this
1.
week off.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Another tie. Another tie. All right, so I'm going to be down here. I got to get my legs up in here. Oh, I'm going across. Did you lose? You got to do squats. Did you win? You're going back and forth. I better get back to my exercise, though. Cross. Cross.
Round 4.
10, 9,
Round 4.
7,
It's like the
6,
box, heavyweight
5,
boxing.
4,
10 rounds.
3,
Get that heart rate up.
2, 1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Are you kidding me? 3 ties in a row. So I'm going to be doing. So I got to do what she's doing down there. Oh, look at. Gotta get those legs up in the air. If you're doing those little flutter kicks there. If you lost. And win. Looks like they're doing nothing.
Round 5.
9, 8,
We're already halfway
7,
through.
6,
5 minutes of
5,
fitness.
4,
Try it a few
3,
times in a row and see how
2,
well you can
1.
do.
Rock,
See if
paper,
you can beat your score.
scissors, shoot.
Ooh, I lost that one. They crushed me with the rock. So I gotta go. Ooh, I better do some arm circles. So friends, you can play this many times over and see how you do each round. And if you do it so many times, maybe you'll even memorize what
Round 6.
9,
each of the ones is.
7, 6,
Come on.
5,
You can be hot
4,
shot. Right now, my heart rate's going
2,
boom, 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 boom.
1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, I went 2 wins in a row. I cut that paper. Hope it doesn't cut my hair. He is missing up there. So, I gotta do some crawls. I'll see you later. Crawl out, crawl back in. Crawl back out, crawl back in. Crawl back.
Round 7.
9, 8,
Good.
7, 6,
Again, this is on rock, paper,
4,
scissors
3,
exercise
2,
right on YouTube. So
1.
you can play again.
Rock, paper, scissors,
Boom.
shoot.
Ooh, we tied. So I'm going back and forth. The faster you go, that's called intensity. The faster you go, the more that heart rate goes up. Going like I'm skiing down on these snow.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Good luck.
2, 1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, boom! I got crushed again. I gotta go down. I gotta be doing some crunches. I gotta do some crunches. I'll see you later. I'm down on the ground.
Round 9.
Whew.
9,
That felt good.
8,
That
7,
felt good.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There we go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh no! You'd think I would have known this by now. I lost again. I'm down more. Ooh. And I like this one too because it's really working my stomach and my core. If I eat too many snacks when I'm sitting on the ground, when I'm sitting watching
Round 10.
TV,
9,
they build up around that belly.
7,
Now.
6, 5, 4.
Before we get to that round 10, all right, before Hotshot throws out that final rock, paper, scissors, I want you to make a prediction. What's it gonna be? A prediction means you're taking a guess of what you think it's gonna be. Is it gonna be a rock? Is it gonna be a scissors or a paper? What do you think it's gonna be? All right, a good guess, and it lets our heart rate come back down. So what do you think it's gonna be? And how many wins have you had so far if you wanted to keep score? But like I said, exercise, there is no score. Any exercise you do is going to be healthy for your body and healthy for your mind when you're teaching and you're learning and you're doing things on the computer all the time. It's a great way to do activity. Okay? It's a great way for when you're in class, studying at that computer, when you're online with your teacher. Okay? Where you can say, I need a brain break. do one of these activities, and guess what? That blood starts flowing, my muscles warm up, and I'm ready to learn again. So it's great for not only your body, it's great for your mind right up here, all right, and helping you learn. What do you think it's going to be? I think it's going to be a scissors. How many agree with me? Let's find out.
3, 2, 1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, but I win. But I wasn't right. I won because I beat the paper, so I gotta go outside. But you know what? We're all winners, whether you're doing mountain climbers, whether you're going side to side, whether you're going side to side. Can you
Partner
believe
round.
that was
9,
5 minutes
8,
of fitness?
7,
Add it up.
6.
Now there's one
5,
other thing I want to
4,
show you with this game.
3,
And again,
2,
you guys can continue this at home and challenge, all right? And it's called the rock, paper, scissors partner battle. Where this time, and I like to do exercises with other people. It's more fun. So if you're a brother or sister, aunt, uncle, mom, dad, whatever, guardians, whoever, have them challenge you. Okay, so what I want you to do is challenge me first. You're my partner, and I'm your partner. It's so much fun to do exercise with partners. And here's how it works on the partner battle. Whatever I come up with, and whatever you come up with, that's the exercise we're going to do. Let's show you. So if I go rock, paper, scissors, and I throw out a scissors, and you throw out a scissors, okay, or maybe I throw out a scissors and you throw out a rock up in the top corner there, we'd have to do high knees. If I had a scissors and you had a paper, we'd have to do side to side. Okay, so you just match up you and your partner to see what you did. And if you both had scissors, we'd be down on the ground doing flutter kicks, but you probably can't see that because my face is in the way of that exercise. So, hey, have fun. Take a deep breath in. Remember our breathing that we do in the gym. In through the nose, smell the flower. Out through the mouth, blow out the candle. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Now let's put our whole world in our hands. It's a lot of stress out there. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Thanks for playing with me today, friends. And you know what? Have a great week. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.